Yo, what up, guys? So, no one liked my brownie video, so I decided that today I'm going to make vegan banana bread. And we have a special guest, my little brother, Nigel. So, of course, first we wash our hands as usual. And then here's a clip of all the ingredients that I used. If you saw the last video, you know I used flaxseed and water as egg replacer. And then here's a clip of my brother being dumb.
How do I do this?
My brother measures out half a cup of coconut oil. And while he does that, I mash up some really old and ripe bananas. Like, they're so old, like, we are about to throw them away old. Do you think the mom is having an affair on her husband with that British guy?
No.
Because, like, the dad is not in the second movie. Don't worry, we're just talking about Camp Rock. So here's what they should look like. Then afterwards, I forced my brother to put the coconut oil in the microwave multiple times. Because he keeps messing up. Okay, do it again. You're ruining my shot. Go like you're actually putting something in the microwave. Now you can watch my brother try to disturb me while I put flour into a bowl. 1 cup to be specific. And then I measured out a cup of brown sugar. Oh no. Hey guys, I'm Hannah's mom, so she's my favorite child and she's prettier than everyone else out there, so don't even try to comfort her, and she cooks really well, so try this recipe and watch her YouTube videos. Okay. Is she still here? Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, now she's actually in. Okay, bye. I didn't have enough brown sugar to measure out a full cup, so I just added a bunch of white sugar. I hope that's okay. Can someone please explain what my brother is doing? Please. And now I'm mixing together the flour and the sugar. Now listen to me try to sing. Okay, Nigel, this is not the greatest showman. This is not the greatest showman. Now I'm adding in the mashed banana. It kind of looks gross. Then I add in the melted coconut oil. Now just watch me and my brother vibe. Who's got what it takes to be my guy? What it takes to make me shine? What it takes to make none is different, or you can agree. Who's got what it takes to be? Here's a clip of me trying to catch my brother dancing, even though he doesn't want me to get it. And now I add in the flaxseed egg replacer. Bro, you ain't even helping. Then the recipe said I had to add in another cup of flour. Wait, listen to this.
Wait, so do you put actual bread in there?
What is wrong with my brother? Bread, Nigel. And we're baking this.
I thought like maybe it was like French toast where you like put the bread in there.
Just mix this together. Just mix it together.
So you're not getting any bread soup.
No.
I think you should put some more sugar in here. This seems a little too like dewy for bread to be stuck in here. So I think it's best if we don't put bread in here. But that man had countless bodies. Countless bodies. Countless bodies.
He's so fine. Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm really dumb because I forget that I can't film in portrait mode because it ruins the video. From here on out, the video is pretty crazy. I don't know what's happening. Oh, the death toll is now over 50,000 for COVID. Stay inside. Stay inside. Stay inside. Stay inside. He cannot be flaming on anyone when he's wearing a hat like that. He's wearing a fedora and a fake gold chain. This smells terrible, Hannah. No, it didn't I greased the bottom of the pot, then added all the ingredients in. So here's the finished product. We all thought it turned out really, really good. We all ate it in like a day, so. Here's me bringing some to my mom while she was on a call. So yeah, that's the video. Please let me know what you want me to cook next, and if you want me to continue making stuff on this account. I'm still gonna do it whether you say yes or no, so just give me suggestions, because I have a lot of fun doing these videos. It was a lot of fun baking with my brother, and yeah. Like and subscribe!